Please don't tell me that you are still using Google Docs or simple whiteboards for your meetings and agendas, and you spend hours preparing for meetings and creating post-meeting reports. There is a tool for that, and it's called Nova. Let me show you. It's super handy as a manager and as a team member because I have a lot of meetings and I spend way too much time preparing the questions. And sometimes I keep notes in different places and it's hard for me to remember where I left them or what decisions we came up during the meeting. The best part is that I have access to tools that include all the questions that I need to ask my team right here. If I have a one-on-one meeting with a new employee, I can choose this tool and have all the questions I need to ask him or her right here and take the notes that I need during the meeting. I can keep questions and notes private to me and leave a section open for my team, in which he or she can take notes as well. So we both have notes from the same meeting and the same space, but keeping our individual notes private. I can even directly connect it with Zoom or any other video call and even add call rooms directly here. I can even add a start and due date and notify the team and directly add it to my calendar. For more collaborative meetings, I can use a whiteboard and use any of these tools or search for templates inside the whiteboard. And if I want to have multiple conversations at once, I can add multiple call rooms. As I have daily meetings and one-on-ones, I can instantly have access to a full report to all my one-on-ones or strategic meetings that I had this year or this month. This report keeps track of all the best ideas and decisions we made during the meetings. I invite you to check out some of the one-on-one meeting tools we have. For example, the Exit one-on-one to evaluate why some employees leave your company. The one-on-one for team members to get to know other team members, or our team strategy meeting, or even our 10 top questions a manager should ask. And you can edit and save your own templates as well. But this is such a good way to get inspired and instantly get ready for a meeting that is absolutely amazing. It's super easy and helpful. I don't need to spend hours preparing my meetings, thinking about what I should be asking, preparing an agenda, and I definitely don't have to write a post-meeting report from scratch. Nova is automatically creating that report for me. Clearly, there is a smart way to lead meetings, collaborate, and guide your team without wasting hours of time or using too many platforms to keep track of what's happening. Check out Nova at novatools.org.